Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we are going to talk about consecutive numbers. So, consecutive numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, and it goes to infinity. So, what we use in questions is that we say this one, if this one is 1, this one will be 1 plus 1, this one will be 1 plus 2, and this one will be 1 plus 3. So this is for normal consecutive numbers. What we do, we just take this one and put a instead of it. A, a, a. Basically, if you say one of the smallest consecutive numbers a, the second one will be a plus 1, and the third one will be a plus 2, say the fourth one a plus 3. So it is increases by 1, 1, 1 plus 1. It doesn't need to increase like this. It could be something like this too. Like let's say a minus 1, a minus 2, a minus 3. It could go like this too. But the difference between them is 1. See there, 1 increasing by 1, there is going down by 1. This is for the normal consecutive numbers. Alright, so for the normal consecutive numbers was like this. If the question is not giving you odd or even consecutive numbers. So if the question is given you as odd or even consecutive numbers, let's start from odd, odds, consecutive numbers, and even consecutive numbers. What are our odd consecutive numbers? So 1, 3, 5, 7, and the even ones 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. So what I did in the previous uh, page, I said that you say the first one a, the second one will be 1 plus 2, a plus 2, and the third one will be 1 plus 4, which is a plus 4, and the other one 1 plus 6, which is going to be a plus 6. So basically, it is increased by 2. It could decrease 2. And the same story for this one too. Look, you see that 2, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 4, 2 plus 6. So what I said, for the first one, see a, other one is going to be a plus 2, a plus 4, and a plus 6. So use this and this for solving questions. Please look at the attention. The same thing for even and odd consecutive numbers, increases by 2, 2, 2, 2 for each step, or decreases by 2. So now let's have a look questions. For the first question, write down 3 consecutive odd numbers, of which 2n minus 1 is the first. What I said, we said it increases or decreases by 2 for the consecutive odd or even numbers. Now, this one the first. Let me increase it. 2n minus 1. So I'm going to write how many you said? 3. That means this first 2 more. Increases by 2, and this will increase by 2. 2n minus 1 plus 2 is going to be 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1 plus 2 is going to be 2n plus 3. So these are going to be my next two numbers. And the next question, what is the smaller of two consecutive numbers whose sum is 85? Well, I said for the first consecutive number, say a, and the second one will be a plus 1. I don't prefer to use a minus 1. A plus 1 is going to be better to solve questions. Some of them is going to be addition, of course, equals to 85. From algebraic expression a plus a will give you 2a plus 1 equals to 85. And from linear equation, or in other words, algebraic equation, we are going to leave the unknown alone. This one to the other side as subtraction. 2a is going to be 85 minus 1, which is 84. And this to the other side as division. I will give you 40, 84 divided by 2, 42. So if the first number is 42, the other number will be 43. So it was the sum of them was 85, 42 plus 43 will be 85. It's the solution. And for the next one, the sum of an odd number and the next odd number is 92. So that means two consecutive number, because see, odd number and the next odd number. In other words, two consecutive odd numbers. Then what is the larger number? So what I said for the first one, just say you don't need to say a. Yeah? By the way, let's say x now, and the next one is going to be x plus 2. The sum of them, add them up then, which is going to be 92. Then what you do, you are going to add x to x according to algebraic expression plus 2 equals to 92. And this goes to the other side as subtraction. 2x equals to 92 minus 2, which is going to be 90. And this to the other side division, x will be 90 divided by 2, 45. Alright, now my first number is 45, the second number is going to be 47. And the question was asking me a larger one, which is going to be 47. Let's have a look at this question. What is the bigger number of two consecutive even numbers whose sum is 86? Remember I told you or even consecutive numbers are going to be solved by the same method. What I said, the first one, a, second one, a plus 2. Sum of them, just add them up and then equalize to 86. So from algebraic expression again, this will be 2a plus 2 equals to 86. Then this goes to the other side as subtraction. It will be 2a equals to 86 minus 2, which is going to be 84. And this to the other side as division, a will be 42. So if this one is 42, the next one is going to be 42 plus 2, which is 44. So the question was asking a bigger number, which is going to be 44. My final answer for this question. So my next question is saying that there are three consecutive odd integers. The sum of 2 times of the smallest number and the largest number is 7 more than 2 times the second number. What is the third number? First of all, the question was saying three consecutive odd numbers. Now, let's say for the first one, y. The first one is y, second one is going to be y plus 2, and third one is going to be y plus 4, as consecutive odd and even number are increasing by 2. Remember, I explained to you. Now, the question is the sum of 2 times of the smallest number, which is this. Sum of 2 times smallest number. And the larger number is sum of larger number is this one. Y plus 4 is 7 more than 2 times of the second number. My second number is this, which is going to be 2 times second number y plus 2 and 7 bigger plus 7. So the most important part is writing this equation, and then you are going to use the information what we learned in linear equation, which is algebraic equation. So what I do, I open this brackets first, and then I do this operation 2y plus y, 3y plus 4 equals to, this will be 2y plus 4 plus 7. So from here, this will be 11. I will get 3y plus 4 equals to 2y plus 11. So I will choose one side for unknown, one side for the other numbers. Let me choose this side for unknown and this side for the other numbers, which is going to be 3y minus 2y equals to 11 minus 4. From this, I will get y equals to, from this, I will get 7. So my the smallest number is 7. My next number is going to be 9, and the other number is going to be 11. And the question was asking you the third number, which is going to be 11. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like. Okay.